Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire setup process step by step, so you'll be ready to start crafting in no time. And if you need any extra help, just give us a call at the numbers on the screen for a one-on-one support. Alright, let's get your Cricut Expression up and running. First, find a nice flat, stable surface for your machine and make sure it's close to a power outlet. Now, plug the power cable into the back of your machine and flip the power switch on. Go ahead and open the lid. Check inside to make sure there's no cardboard inside or tape left from packaging. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for easy tutorials like this. Next, lift up the display panel. Take the keypad overlay and position it over the keypad panel so it fits nicely. Now, insert your Cricut cartridge into the slot. Finally, press the power button to turn on your machine and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.